What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the latest software update for your Apple Watch, WatchOS 6.2. I'm also going to be discussing on the new features for the Apple Watch and if you should install. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Okay guys, so before we get started, you need to make sure your Apple Watch is on the charger and at least 50% charged. And then once you do that, make sure your iPhone is charged as well. And if it's not, put it on the charger. Okay, so what you're going to do is go ahead and go to your iPhone and go to the Apple Watch app. And it looks just like that. So let's go ahead and open it. And go ahead and scroll down to General, which is right here. And then we're going to go ahead and go to Software Update. And as you can see, there's the software update pending. So WatchOS 6.2, it's going to be 438 megabytes, which is a pretty big one, considering that most of them are in the 2 digits. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into these new features. So WatchOS 6.2 includes new features, improvements, and bug fixes. It introduces in-app purchases for Apple Watch apps, which is spectacular because if you leave your phone at home, you'll still be able to go out to the stores and buy something as long as you know your debit card number by heart. You can add it to your Apple Watch. So that's a really cool feature. And let's see, fixes an issue where music playback could cause when switching from Wi-Fi to Bluetooth connectivity. Okay, so ECG app on Apple Watch Series 4 or later, now available in Chile, New Zealand, and Turkey. Irregular heart rhythm notifications now available in Chile, New Zealand, and Turkey. Okay, guys, so those are some pretty good features and updates. I highly recommend doing this update for your Apple Watch. This isn't just bug fixes. There's also some new features, so I do recommend this upgrade for you. And if you need more information on it, you can always go to the Apple website. You can go to support and view the update there and more information on it. So let's go ahead and click install. Make sure your Wi-Fi is on the Apple Watch and your iPhone, just in case. So let's go ahead and click install. Put in the passcode. Okay, verifying. So let's see. It should have already downloaded it, but if it didn't, then it's going to download and then it's going to install it and then we should be good. So let's go ahead and wait for that to verify. Also, you have to make sure your Apple Watch is unlocked. Okay, so it looked like it just rebooted. Let's see. Okay, so installing. And let's wait for this to boot up. Okay, there we go. So it looks like the update is installing at this moment. And we're just going to wait for it to finish. A couple reboots. And then it should go ahead and, yep, there we go. All right, guys, so I'll update you once it finishes. Okay, guys, so it looks like it is restarting now. And as you can see right here, WatchOS 6.2, your software is up to date. So that's pretty much it, guys, for this install. Hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and also don't forget to install and update your Apple Watches. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.